my name is Nahum August, and this is a 2D platformer I've been working on using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So here you have some debug data that you don't need to worry about. Here's a sidebar. Oh, this is in debug mode, by the way, so you should be able to build stuff and delete stuff. And soon I'm going to make it so I can save the object data so I could save and load levels. I feel like there's something else I wanted to say. Alright, the movements are WASD. You could sprint with left shift, or any shift actually. You can jump with the spacebar. You can zoom out with O, and zoom in with P. I made this in the canvas with the canvas element, if I didn't say that already, but it's probably obvious anyways. You can drag stuff around. Since we're in debug mode, here's a handlebar. This is for if you want to build something. You have to click it and then... Oh, there you go. There you go. So you can do that. I think you just saw what happened there. It wasn't supposed to build there when I was hovering over this, but that's something I'll fix later on. You can edit vertices themselves by grabbing them. So there's that. Yeah, you could undo. So I could undo the creation and the movement of the vertices. I can delete a block and then undo, of course. I could redo. So let's see. Could do that. What am I stuck on? Okay, I guess that's something yeah, I don't know what just happened there. I'm gonna have to work on that, I guess. And then, wait. I think it's because I'm clicking on that. There we go. Whoops. Well, anyways, so as you can see, I have an undo redo system. I can create and destroy blocks. I can edit vertices. Let me see if I can grab one of these. It's kind of weird. Yeah, look at that. It's pretty weird. Let's see. Look, it's I'm working on the kinks. Some kinks I gotta work out. There's something I wanted to do. Oh, check this out. If I click that, then you'll stop that. Now the camera only follows one true player, which is this one, but they all move if I want them to. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much all I got for right now. This is on my GitHub, so should be able to see what kind of progress I've been making. That's pretty much it. If you want to take a look at this data here, static bodies are these, they can't move. Kinetic bodies, stuff like this. The other kinetic body is probably fell off earlier. Collision areas, that includes the GUI elements. Or is it just UI? It's GUI. Maybe both, actually, technically. 6 bodies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the sixth one is probably one that I made earlier that I was talking about that fell down. You have the mouse coordinates. These are technically different though. I don't remember why. I'd have to look at the code. It's been a few weeks. Yep, so that's pretty much it.